Hello and welcome to ASTR 100, Intro to Astronomy and Cosmology. I'm Professor Kevin Kimball. I'll be your instructor from now until December. So obviously we are in different times than what we were anticipating 6 months ago. I certainly was hoping to be in a classroom this time around, and this isn't the way I like to teach, but so be it. I'm kind of a hands-on sort of teacher, and certainly that, because of conditions as they are, that ship has sailed for the time being. So what we want to focus on for this first week is getting everybody lined up for this course. There are a lot of pieces involved in this that otherwise wouldn't be an issue. This goes with having an online course. So we want to make sure that everybody is, first of all, I think everybody's pretty much signed up for Brightspace. I think that one's done, but let's be sure about that. The other two pieces is we need to make sure that you are signed up and registered for Launchpad and also for Sapling. My understanding is that there's been some difficulty with that, and that's to be expected. This is new territory for everybody. So there are going to be some bumps in the road. I expect that. And so we need to be patient, we need to be creative, and we need to be flexible. So if you're having difficulty with any of those endeavors, please don't hesitate to let me know. Get me on email. I'll reply as quickly as I can. Now, in addition to the Launchpad that goes with the ebook for this course, I strongly recommend that you also get the hard copy of the textbook, Commons Discovering the Essential Universe, 6th edition. This is what it looks like. Make sure it is the 6th edition. That's important. And the reason I say that is just for a practical reason. As you're going through online assignments, it should be a whole lot easier for you to have a textbook open as you're looking at whatever device that you're using, to be able to bounce back and forth between the assignment and a printed page, because that's how this course is going to work. Couple other things. Now, if you're watching me, that means that you're watching me on YouTube, and you will probably notice that there are some other lectures already there. Those lectures that I did were for the previous spring semester. They're relevant, but they do not match up with the lab manual that goes with it. So just be aware of that. Feel free to look at them, but know that they're not going to be a match for the lab manual that you will be using this course. And that's one other thing I need to emphasize. Make sure you have that lab manual. My understanding is that it got printed rather late, and so some of you may not yet have it. It should have been mailed out to you if you have so requested. But again, that lab manual is critical. That's what you're going to be using for each and every of the lectures. Again, let me know where you are on that. And if you don't have that lab manual, that's important. And we'll see what we can do to keep you in line until you actually do get one in the mail, unless you've gone ahead and picked it up at the bookstore in person. So that's about it in a nutshell. We're not going to worry about curriculum this first week. We're just going to get everybody lined up, and then the following week we're going to hit the deck running. See you then.